Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. So today I wanted to talk to you about something that's very dear to my heart, and this is the desire to be a better person. I've come to a conclusion. I'm sick and tired of self-sabotaging. I'm sick and tired of being the person who's standing between what I want to achieve, right? And I am on a mission this year, this month of November, just before the year ends. I'm on a mission to be intentional about implementing behaviors that are going to lessen that gap. So if I have a certain behavior or a certain goal that I want to achieve in my life, the reason why I'm not there yet is because this knowledge action gap is very wide. And so I want to be intentional this year to reduce that gap. So for example, let's say I'm interested in losing weight. I want to implement behaviors that are going to help to reduce that knowledge action gap that I have, to the point that I have the knowledge to do what I want to do, to achieve the goal that I want to do, which case in point would be weight loss. And then that behavior becomes so automatic that I don't have that gap. So I am on a mission to reduce that knowledge action gap in all areas of my life, in be it finance, be it growing longer afro hair, be it losing weight, any goal you can think of. I don't want this channel to just be about food, weight loss. No, I want to tackle all areas of my life this year. Like, the year is not over and I am not going to give up without a fight. I want to use this platform to really document the ups and downs of this process, the ups and downs of me trying to figure out how I am going to reduce that knowledge action gap in certain areas of my life that I want to improve in. So I hope you can join me on this journey as I try to figure it out and navigate it. I know I'm not going to be perfect, but I am going to be intentional about reducing that knowledge action gap in my life. So the knowledge action gap is when you have knowledge to do something and then you know there's an action that needs to be done, but you're not taking that action. So you're trying to reduce that gap to the point where there's no gap. So it's like you know something and then you just automatically do it. So I hope you can join me on this journey, and I look forward to your support and encouragement as I go through this journey of trying to be a better person, to be the best version that God created me to be. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.